Now, what up YouTube, it's Obey again. Once again, I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'll be telling you why you should choose Equity Edge prop firm. Why you should use Equity Edge to make more money in this Forex industry. I know majority of us are coming from poor backgrounds, and we don't have enough money to fund accounts or buy challenges. Yeah, but in this case we have Equity Edge. I'll be showing you the prices of Equity Edge, guys. They are one of the affordable prices in the prop firm industry right now. So yeah, I'll be dropping my code in the video. A link that you can use to purchase any account of your choice at a discount, guys. Just use that link and use this code. I'll be dropping a code somewhere here. That code, use TASI TASI. It's a code that you can use when you use that link, and then you purchase that any account of your choice. Now, using that link and that code, that one is an affiliate link. So yeah, I have to be transparent to you guys. It's an affiliate link. So you see the videos that we are creating here, the information that we are giving out for free here on YouTube. If you use that link and that code, you will be helping me to create more videos like this. It's a way of helping me out. So yeah, let me just go to the website and I will show you the prices. They are very straightforward, guys. Equity Edge are very straightforward and they pay out consistently, guys. They pay out consistently. So make sure that you watch the whole video until the end, guys. Watch until the end to get all the information that you need, so that you can also understand why am I saying you should go for Equity Edge. So guys, let's get to the website and I will show you quickly. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Equity Edge website now. So I just want to show you why you should choose Equity Edge. Equity Edge, they are becoming a big prop firm, guys. They are becoming a big prop firm. And here is the reason why. Here is the reason why you should choose Equity Edge, guys. Equity Edge prices, guys. The prices of Equity Edge. You cannot compare these prices with any other prop firm out there. So yeah, you can compare, like they are like Marvin prop firm. They also have good prices and they are consistently paying out traders, guys. They are consistently paying out traders, guys. So yeah, now here, as you can see here on 2.5k account, a 2.5k account is just $29 guys. $29. And a 5k challenge, that is face step. This is the Pro Edge now. That is a Pro Edge. It's an instant account. This is an instant account. You don't have to go through any challenge. You don't have to pass through any challenge. What you need to do is just have a minimum trading days of 7 days, and you must not go above the minimum daily loss of 3%, and you must also not go to maximum loss of 5%. They also have a consistent score. Your consistent score, let me just explain it nicely here. Consistent score means that yes, you must be consistent. You must be making money consistently at a 15%. You must be above 15%, guys, which is easy, guys. It's very easy. I was quite hesitant a bit when I saw this consistent score, but then I realized that okay, their consistent score is very low comparing to other. There's no profit target. Any profit that you take, that you make, and then you go for a payout, guys. Leverage is 1 to 30. A B weekly reward plus 90% reward splits platform that they are using Match Trader. I like Match Trader. Max risk per trade is 1%, guys. You must not risk more than 1% per trade. Safety cushion 3%. Inactivity rule 30 days, guys. These are the prices, guys. Now this is a 5k challenge, a 5k challenge on a Pro Edge instant account. That is what we call instant account. It is just 59 US dollar to buy this challenge, guys. Now let's go to the 10k. Now looking at the 10k, guys, at the 10k, let me just quickly go to the price. 89 US dollar, guys, for the 10k, guys. For the 10k, 89 US dollar, guys. Now, yeah. So the minimum, the maximum loss here it is 300 US dollars, guys, on this one, and maximum loss is 500 US dollars. So, guys, you see what I'm talking about, guys. Eh? You are funded straightforward. You are not going through any challenges. You are funded straightforward, guys. You don't have to go through any challenge. You don't have to go to pass any challenge. Just stick to these rules, guys. Just follow these rules that they have up here, and then you are good to go, guys. So I'm looking to buy any challenge, but I'm just looking at this 10k challenge or maybe a 25k challenge. But let me just start with a 10k challenge. That is a good one for me. Then I will start with that one. Then I will check if they are going to pay me out, guys. So a 25k challenge is just 179 US dollars, guys. It is very cheap, guys. Very, very cheap compared to other prop firms out there that are offering instant accounts, guys. Now let me just quickly go to the step one. Guys, before I do that, before I go to step one, make sure that if you want to buy a challenge, use the code that I will display on the screen now. It's a TASHI. Use that code, and you must also use the link that I will drop in a comment section. I will also drop it in video description so that you can get a 40% discount on every purchase that you make, guys. So now let's look at step one. Step one, look at this one, guys. Yeah, step one, a 2.5k challenge. A 2.5k challenge is just 15 US dollar, guys. Everybody, especially us African traders, guys, if you come from Africa, you understand this. It is good to have prop firms that have cheaper prices, guys, so that every one of us can afford them, guys. So look at this one, 2.5k challenge is just 15 US dollar, guys. Everybody can afford this one. It's a step one challenge. You just go through phase one, and then the next stage you are funded, guys. So the minimum trading day is just 2 days, and the maximum daily loss is 4%, and minimum loss is 6%, and profit target is 10%, guys. So yeah, guys. Let me just look at the 5k. 5k challenge is just 20 US dollar. Look at this, guys. 20 US dollar. A 10k challenge, 42 US. Imagine 42 US dollars. A step one challenge, 42 US dollar, 10k challenge, guys. Look at these prices, guys. They are very affordable to all of us. A 25k is just 135, guys. 135 US dollars. A 25k challenge. Now let me look at the 50k challenge. 50k challenge is that's 250 US dollars. Now let me look at the 100k challenge. It is just 500 US dollar, guys. It's very affordable to all of us, guys. Now let me look at the step two. This is a step two where you go through step one and step two, and then once you pass through all of the two challenges phases, then you are funded, guys. Now the minimum trading days is just 0 days. Maximum daily loss is 5%, maximum loss is 10%, profit target is 8 in phase one, and phase two is 5%. Leverage is 1 to 40. Prices, guys, 2.5k is just 15 US dollar. Look at these prices, guys. 15 US dollar, guys. A 5k challenge is just 20 US dollars. And a 10k challenge, is just 42 US dollars, guys. A 25k challenge, just 135 US dollar, guys. But you cannot pay these prices, guys. Yeah, I hate, yeah, they have a, you can pay these prices because they have a 40 uh discount, guys. They have a 40% discount running. So make sure you use that link, and you my link in the video description. That one is affiliate, guys. I have to be transparent on this. Yes, it is an affiliate link. The more, if you purchase a challenge using that link, you are supporting the channel that is making these videos, guys, for you guys. So I'm providing value to you guys. So using that link, it does not mean that prices will be increased. I'll get a small commission when you purchase using that link. In a video description, also in a comment section, I'll be paid a small commission when you use that link, guys. So yeah, if 25k is just 135, a 50k is just 250 US dollar, and 100k is just 500 US dollar, guys. So guys, I'm not saying if you are a beginner forex trader, or maybe if you are a beginner forex trader, I suggest you first get a trading strategy that works. Let me say, even if it gives you a winning percentage of 25%, you can still make it with these prop firm challenges. So long as you lower your risk, guys, so long as you know how to manage your risk, you can pass through these challenges, guys. You can pass these challenges. So just start small, guys. You can even start with the 2.5k challenge. Then you grow the challenge, guys. You pass through these phases. You can choose any challenge that suits you. You can even go to the pro edge, the one that you just go instant. You don't go through any phase. Then you make small amount. Once you know that, okay, you have enough money that is saved up, and you also got more payouts from this pro age, then you purchase a bigger challenge, guys. A bigger challenge like 100k step 1 or step 2 challenge, and then you build your capital, guys. You build your capital, and then you'll be making like 1% or 2% in a month. If you have this 100k challenge, 2% is enough to live by, guys. It is enough to live by. So guys, make sure that, yes, if you find any value in this video, make sure that you like the video, share the video, comment below, guys, if you have any question regarding what we discussed in this video. So this is the prop firm that I'll be working with. These are the prop firms that I have in mind. I do have FTMO, the 5%ers, Funded Next, Funding Pips, and Equity Edge. These are the top 5 prop firms that I have in mind that I will be buying or working with, guys. But Equity Edge is becoming the best prop firms out there, guys, currently, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.